Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. Thanks for your support. In this video, let's think about logarithmic differentiation problems. In our previous video, we discussed about the method. Even though we know about applying the method, there are wide range of questions to deal with. So let's relearn the art of asking questions. So today the most popular among them will discuss now. If we categorize them, we can split them into three parts. The first one is of basic type. So for example, y equals x power x. Only one function will be given. This we have discussed already. We'll try a few more problems under this. Second type is of having arithmetic operations in between. So for example, x power x minus 2 power sine x, or x power x plus 2 power sine x. So we will be having plus or minus sign in between them. Third kind of question. So third part or third type. So how to remember means we will be having an equal sign in between. So two functions will be given, but in between we will be having an equal sign. So these are the most popular way of asking under logarithmic differentiation method. Last but not the least, exceptional case also is there. That will be discussed further in our upcoming videos. Yes. So today in this video we are going to focus on mainly about the basic type. Let's get started. So now we'll consider one example. Differentiate y is equal to sine x to the power of 1 over x. So here this function cannot be differentiated directly because the base is a function, trigonometric function. Power is also a rational function. So we need to go behind our logarithmic differentiation method. So we are going to apply log on both the sides. So let's take log. While we are taking log for our sine x, automatically the power comes in front. 1 over x comes in front. So here now we can differentiate them. Before trying to differentiate them, we can interpret them as log of sine x over x. This will be more comfortable for us to go for our rule. So now we'll think about taking the first derivative of the given function. So to our left hand side, differentiating log y would give us 1 over y with respect to y if we are trying dy over dx. On our right hand side, the given function is of the form fraction form. So whenever we are having the fraction form, we will be using our quotient rule. Quotient rule says that the denominator v can be squared, and in the numerator we will be writing the denominator first, and we will be taking the derivative of the numerator, which is u dash, minus we will be writing the numerator as it is, and we will be taking the derivative of our denominator, which is v dash. So this quotient rule formula we are going to apply in order to get our derivative easily. So here if we observe, we are having u to be log of sine x and v is simply x. Now we are going to find the derivative of our u. So log of anything, so whenever we are finding the derivative of log x, that is 1 over x. So that format we are applying here, so 1 over sine x. But The denominator is a trigonometric function. So with respect to x, if you are finding the derivative, we are getting cos x. So basically, we are applying chain rule. Y means log of sin x we have got. That means a function of function we have got. So it's better to go behind chain rule. So first we are taking the derivative of log and then we are taking the derivative of sine. That's why we got cos x over sin x. That can be written as cot x. So basically our derivative is cot x. Here v dash is so simple. Derivative of x is 1. So now we are going to apply our quotient rule on the right hand side. So for the denominator, we are going to square them directly, which is x square. And it tells us to do vu dash first. So v is x. U dash is cot x. And then minus sign is there in between. U we should write, which is log of sin x. V dash is so simple, which is 1. Yes, we got the derivative so quickly. Now what we have to do means we need to bring this y on the other side. We need to move this on the other side. So this will become y times the derivative, what we got, x cot x minus log of sin x over x square. Y is nothing but the given function. That is actually sin x raised to the power of 1 over x, and then the derivative, what we have got. So this is our required answer. So whenever we are trying to find the derivative for the fraction kind of function, it's better to use quotient rule. That will give us the answer quickly. We'll try one more problem. Here this question, log x raised to the power of cos x. So the base is a log function, power is a trigonometric function. So function, power function, if we are getting, we need to go behind logarithmic differentiation method. First step is we need to take log on both the sides. So we are going to take y as log y. Here we will be writing log of log x, and this power comes in front. In log, that is the main advantage. We can bring the power in front and we can do our calculation easily. So now we are going to try to differentiate them. So let's find the first derivative for the above function. So what we are going to do means, here we will be writing the derivative as 1 over y into dy over dx. Here we have got two functions in the product form. Cos x is one function, log of log x is another function. They are in the product form. Log of log x is actually one single function. So here they are in the product form. It's better to go for product rule. Product rule says that whenever the functions are in the product form, we need to take the derivative as u v dash, keeping the first function as it is and finding the derivative of the second function, and then writing the second function as it is, finding the derivative of the first function. So here we are going to consider our u to be cos x, the first one. So derivative of cos x would be minus sin x. So negative sign we are writing in front. So this becomes our v. V is actually log of log x, a function of function. So whenever we are getting a function of function, we need to go behind chain rule. So let's give a try for that. So chain rule means outside function, first we need to find the derivative, and then we will be looking into the inside function. So outside function we are taking the derivative means actually that should be 1 over log x. Y means Derivative of log x function is 1 over x. Now we are looking into the inside function. We are trying to find the derivative of log x, which is 1 over x. So this becomes 1 over x times log x. So this is our v dash. So now we'll apply here our product rule. So first thing is our u. So cos x v dash. This we should write, which is actually 1 over x times log x plus v dash. So v is here log of log x. Along with that, we should put our u dash, which is minus sine x. So basically we are having minus sign between. So let's rewrite them. So cos x over x log x minus sine x times log of log x. And now we can bring the y on the other side. Y is nothing but the given function. So the given function is log x to the power of cos x. Cos x over x log x minus sin x times log of log x. This is our required answer. This is one of the popular kind of question, and this is our part 1, the very basic type. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care. Thank you everyone. Thanks for your support.